fashion?
Today, we have My Little Pony line bag, and we have two little fashions here. And first, let's go ahead and open this up. Got a pony card. These are the ponies you could collect. And here's the pony. And could you read this?
Let's see who that. You got Plumette. Her name is Plumette.
We have Plumette. It looks like they look the same. So now let's look at the fashion from the little pet shop fashions, but we put it in this little Shopkin cart. It has an S inside for Shopkin, S for Shopkin, and these are like fashion and mashups. Some of them is called mashups, some of them called fashions, and I think this is a mashup, and they're super squishy, and the mashups are squishier than the fashions. Look, do you see that little bubble? And look at this one and bye.